itong susunod na vlog natin ay magkakaroon tayo ng unboxing. So, ang i-unbox natin na isang exercise equipment. So, wala muna tayong mga road trips kasi naka-MGCK pa rin tayo. So, ito yung first time natin at as much as possible, ipapakita namin sa inyo yung kabuuan ng product. And magbibigay din kami ng information tungkol dito at kung bakit magandang magkaroon ng ganitong equipment sa bahay natin. Lalo na ngayong panahon ng pandemic. So, habang nag-stay tayo sa loob ng bahay, pwede natin itong gawin araw-araw or mga ilang times in a week. So, depende sa kung anong gusto nyong program para gawin tong exercise na to. Of course, magbibigay kami ng information and tips kung bakit tayo dapat magkaroon ng ganitong equipment habang nasa panahon tayo ng pandemic, lalo na ngayon, para maging healthy tayo. And of course, ibibigay ko rin sa inyo yung information kung saan namin nabili yung product para kung sakaling gusto nyo rin yung ganitong product, pwede nyong i-contactin sila online through Facebook. And of course, please don't forget to subscribe and like our videos. And also, click the bell button para kapag may bagong videos ang Barbero RoadTrip vlog ay makakatanggap kayo ng notification. So what is a spin bike? A spin bike is a stationary bike found mostly in gyms and training centers. It is said to provide the full body workout and is very effective at strengthening the hips, thighs, calves, abs, and shoulders. A single spinning class can burn at least 500 calories, which can help you shed the pounds. But the even more beneficial thing about spinning for weight loss and HIIT or HIIT classes is that even after you have hopped off the bike, you will still be burning more calories than normal hours later. So here are the 5 ways that using a spin bike will help you. Number 1. A cardiovascular fitness. In short, a cardiovascular fitness is how effectively your heart and your lungs can provide oxygenated blood to your muscles. Number 2. Muscle definition. To be specific on this one, spinning is good for building up lean muscle definition for your legs and your core. Leg exercises tend to be some of your strenuous, difficult, and potentially dangerous ones, and a lot of people often opt out of working their legs when they're trying to build muscle. Number 3. Low risk of injury. Despite being pretty intense, spinning is actually a very low impact exercise overall, and you don't need to worry too much about getting injured. Number 4. Good for the immune system. Having a stronger immune system means that you are likely to have a longer lifespan and are less likely to experience too many illnesses. As you get older, your thymus will shrink, and as a result, fewer T cells are released into your body. This is the gist of why older people tend to get sick much more easily. Number 5. Stress reduction. Exercise is good for stress because it helps you to focus your mind on something other than what's causing your anxiety. You don't have to think about anything else. You can just relax your mind and focus on your breathing and pedaling. People who cycle to work instead of driving tend to be more comfortable throughout the day because of it, and the same principle applies to spin.